Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to replace a Maserati Ghibli battery. This is a straightforward process that you can do yourself, saving time and money. First, ensure your car is safely parked with the parking brake firmly engaged. You will need a few basic tools, including a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and 10 and 13 millimeter sockets with an extension. The battery is conveniently located in the trunk, usually beneath the floor liner on the passenger side. Now let's get to removing the old battery. Begin by carefully lifting and removing any trunk liners or covers to fully expose the battery. It is crucial to disconnect the negative battery terminal first. Use a 10 millimeter socket for this. Once the negative is free, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal, which often requires a 13 millimeter socket. Finally, remove any red retaining clips and the hold-down bracket, usually secured by a 10 millimeter bolt, to free the battery. With the old battery removed, it is time to install the new one. These batteries are quite heavy, so lift with care. Gently place your new, correct-sized AGM battery into the battery tray. Reinstall the hold-down bracket, ensuring it is snug, and tighten its 10 millimeter bolt. Now, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Make sure all connections are secure and tight to prevent any electrical issues down the road. After installing your new battery, you might notice some dashboard warning lights. Do not worry, this is normal. To clear these, first, engage and then disengage your parking brake. Next, reset the power steering by turning the steering wheel fully to the left, then fully to the right. For the windows, roll each one completely down, then completely up, holding the switch for a few seconds at each end. Your Maserati Ghibli should now be ready to go with its fresh power source.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.